he was burning from the inside out, while his mother sat inside, socializing, laughing, chatting.
Accountability is a main purpose of the criminal law. But holding someone accountable means calling an act exactly what it is. Not more and not less.
First at 5, closing arguments were delivered today in the trial of Maya Hernandez, the Visalia mother accused of leaving her children in a hot car while she went inside a medical spa for a cosmetic procedure. Thank you for joining us. I'm Michael Patterson. Rochelle Mercia has the night off. We are on Verdict Watch tonight as the jury deliberates following a 6-day trial. Eyewitness News reporter Michelle Roldan joins us live outside the courthouse with a breakdown of last night's remarks and what happens next in the case. Michelle.
That's right. The prosecution today delivered a lengthy closing argument saying this case is about bad choices and urging the jury to hold Maya Hernandez accountable by finding her guilty of what they're calling Amilio's painful murder. The defense, however, is saying Hernandez is taking accountability as the conduct was criminally negligent, but it is not second-degree murder.
She didn't know the car would turn off. She left the fob under the seat. She left cookies, bottles, a fruit roll-up, an iPhone for Mateo, and she left them in car seats. That's what she testified to. She also said she never read the manual. She bought it, and she started driving it.
Prosecutors pointed to inconsistencies in Hernandez's statements, like when Hernandez said her sister could not babysit, yet previously she had told police she could have asked but did not want to bother her. Prosecutors also noted that Hernandez claimed the children were sleeping in the car, but she had also said she left them with snacks, drinks, and their favorite show playing, something prosecutors argued did not make sense. Hernandez admitted she knew the dangers of leaving children in a hot car. The prosecution said this showed implied malice and argued she was responsible for protecting Amilio and Mateo, but instead left them in the car to suffer and die. Wrapping up their closing argument, prosecutors emphasized what Hernandez did not say. She never questioned her arrest, never called the incident a mistake or an accident, and never apologized even in court. The defense, just like at the beginning of the trial, made it clear Hernandez conceded to the counts of involuntary manslaughter and child endangerment, and they mainly focused their closing argument on rebutting count 1 of second-degree murder. The defense attorney claims there is no second-degree murder charge if there is no conscious disregard, which there isn't according to him because Hernandez thought the AC would stay on. The defense mentioned Hernandez made a frantic 911 call when she realized what had happened. Not only that, but she tried to ride in the ambulance. He said she started doing everything right as soon as she could. The prosecution says Hernandez didn't take accountability yesterday during her testimony, and she doesn't get extra points simply because 3 counts are being conceded. If anything, the prosecution says we wouldn't be here if Hernandez had checked on or taken her kids into the spa that day.
The defendant did not accidentally leave her children in the car. She did not forget they were there. She wasn't thrown for her schedule for the day and missed a stop. The defendant purposefully, willfully, and intentionally left her children in the car, and she did so knowing what could happen.
The jury has been sent home for the day and will be back tomorrow morning. Eyewitness News will be there to bring you their decision when it happens. Reporting live in Bakersfield, Michelle Roldan, Eyewitness News.
Hi, I'm Rochelle Mercia with Eyewitness News Bakersfield Now on YouTube. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel where we have tons of great content to choose from. While you're here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button right there. That way you can stay up to date on all the things related within Kern County. Thanks for watching.